So you guys know recently I sold my truck and I've been looking for a new car. So I went to a used lot and kind of tried to save a little bit of money. And I met this salesman that was trying to sell me this car. He was like,
Michael, don't you see this car is so nice? Perfect title, only 18 owner, never accident. Listen. The car, when it opened, it talked to you.
So what did I do? I decided to open the door and really see what he meant by talk to me. Okay, the door does talk to me, not in the way I want it to. So the salesman was like, Michael, listen, it's okay, door. We fixed that easy. I give you discount $10 off, no worry, okay? So like usual when you're buying a car, I just wanted to start it up just to make sure everything is good, right? It sounds good, it runs smooth, no weird sound. So the dealer hands me the key.
Michael, don't you worry, okay? This car is so strong. It's strong like water buffalo. All the ladies love it when you turn on. All the boys go, oh my God, who are you? What do you do for a living? Why the car sound so good, huh?
I gotta hear this car because I want people to wonder what I do for a living and the girls go, oh my God.
Michael, I tell you something. You know who the people use the key anymore? That's so stupid. Nobody use no key. It's just the push to start.
And I was like, yo, push to start? I would like push to start because who uses keys anymore? So what did I do? Push to start. Wait, what? Why does the car sound like this?
Michael, you don't know car, huh? It's okay, Michael. Let me explain to you. I take care of you. Don't worry. I give you discount all the time. New $10 off again, okay? Listen. Do you hungry? You want water? We water? You sit down, okay? Cause shut up. Listen, let me tell you.
All right. So I got another $10 off, so I'm willing to listen to him on why the car sounds like this.
Michael, listen. The car is the V12. V12 sound like, you ever drive V12, Mike? No, see? Michael, this is the V12. The V12 always sound like this. You never see V12 outside. Do you have one?
And of course, I never owned a V12. I rarely see them on the road, so I don't have any baseline on judgment on how they sound.
See, Michael, I tell you something. Come here, come closer. Listen, I tell you something. All the lady gonna love you if you buy this car. Because, push the start. What the girl don't like you push the finger on them like that, huh? When you go like that, they love it.
He got me. I mean, and they see me pushing the cars to start like that. Home run, right?
Listen, Michael, car, it sound good. V12, so many cylinder. It go the pow because it's so strong. Girl only like men like water buffalo. Are you water buffalo?
Water buffaloes are strong.
See, Michael, I tell you, you buy this car, all the boys love you. They go, oh my God, you my role model. All the girls, they go, what? They love you. They want to marry you. They want to have your baby. Michael, let me ask you something. Come closer. Do you have a girlfriend?
Well, I am married with a kid. Michael, do you have girlfriend? I'm married with a kid.
Exactly. You don't have girlfriend. You want girlfriend. This car get you girlfriend every day. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, sometime Monday. But you have to work so you can pay for car.
So I walked out the dealer with the car. Not because of the girlfriend thing, because I like V12s. Duh. Alright guys, that's it for today. I know my humor is weird, cringy, probably the most, but I'm weird. Always been weird. I love you guys. That's why I make these videos. Insert you into my brain and how it works all day, every day. If you guys like what you guys watched today, the like button really helps me know if you guys liked it. The comment section gives me reading material so I can read while I'm taking a shit. No, I'm just kidding. Just leave a comment I like to read. But if you guys want me to do any other type of commentaries, leave a comment below. Share, like, subscribe, bell button, follow, Snapchat, DM. God damn, there's so many things to do on social media. Back then, there was nothing. It was just like, hey, if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks. Thanks guys for watching, and I will see you in the next commentary. Peace out. Woo!